Yo YouTube, we back with another video. This time we have a drop fade with hooks. Before anything, make sure to subscribe, click that bell button and never miss a new video, man. Let's get it. Alright YouTube, to start off the haircut, I'm gonna be clipping away the top hair because I won't be cutting nothing from the top. Alright, right here I'm going to be using the 3-guard close to debulk the area of the fade. And with the comb, as you can see, I'm feeding the hair into the clipper, stopping right around the parietal ridge. Now I'm gonna grab my Andis NV trimmer and set in my first bald guideline. Right here you're gonna see me do a little mark and then start my line. I'm gonna go up to that mark, and at that mark I'm gonna do the drop. As you can tell, I'm now working on the left side because I didn't go all the way across starting on the right. I stop at the middle and then work my way back on the left and then meet at the middle just to make sure my lines are even on both sides. Now right here I'm just doing a little rough draft of the lineup just to make sure I can see how the fade's gonna come in, and then towards the end I'll just make it crispier. Now with my Oster fast feeds, I'm gonna put on the 1 guard and open it all the way, which makes it a 1.5, and I'm gonna go up about 2 inches. Now above that, I'm gonna use the 2-guard closed and go up about 1 inch and just flick out because I don't want to create another harsh skyline. Now with no guard open, there's open right there. I'm gonna go up about 1/2 inch, following the same bald guideline, making sure I keep that drop on the fade. Now I know you're wondering why it looks bigger and thicker in the back, but that's because you have a lot more room in the back to fade than you do on the sides. So as you can see right here, it's small, 1/2 inch right here. And as I get towards the back of the head, I go up about 1 inch, a full inch. and that's because I have more room to fade in the back than I do on the side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and close the clipper and take out that bottom line. Now right there, you just saw me open it at least halfway and flick out. The higher you go up on the fade, the more you open it. The lower you are, you close it. Now right here with the one guard closed, I'm gonna go up about another ½ inch to create another guideline. Now I'm gonna use the half guard closed and I'm gonna flick out that bottom line that I just created with a flick out motion. Now I'm gonna put the one guard back on, but this time I'm gonna have it open. And right above that, I'm gonna just go up about ½ inch just to make it a little darker. You can see the transition coming in right now. Alright, now I'm gonna get the two guard back out, but now on the magic clip and just redo the top of the fade, just make it a little cleaner. Now I'm gonna take out the 1.5 guard again and just point cut and just clean up any dark spots that I see in the fade still. I'm gonna continue my detail work with the no guard open, just using the corner of the blade to remove any dark spots that I see. For me, this is the most important part of the fade. This is like the last 5 minutes of every haircut that I do, is I make sure I take out any dark spots that I have, and clients really appreciate the detail work. Now with the one guard, I'm gonna go down on the hairline and debulk any long hairs. And as you can see in the middle, it's kind of light or no hair at all. So I'm gonna add in these fibers and just wait till I line it up, you'll see. Now what I like to do on the hairline is I like to start in the middle and then work my way to one side and then continue back in the middle and then work my way to the other side. As you saw right there, I was back in the middle and now I'm working my way back to the right side, making sure I'm making nice and even all across. Now using my Motive Pro straight blade, I'm going to continue to make the lineup crispier. Make sure to always pull down the skin just to prevent any cuts. Alright YouTube, here's the before. And here's the final product, man. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, let me know how I did, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button and never miss a new video. Oh, and one more thing. Thanks for watching. We're on the road to 1K. Let's get it. We can do it. Peace.